Good day, friends. I am back with another Puppy Linux project. I took the CD and I burned it instead as a DVD just on a whim, thinking what if the DVD reads faster and then speeds up our entire starting process. So here you can see we've got no electricity, no power. So I'm going to hit the power button. And let's hit start, and let's see how fast it boots using a DVD instead of a CD-ROM. I ran this test this morning with my CD, and it took 4 minutes. I eventually got frustrated and just walked away. And I came back from whatever I was doing, and it was loaded. But it was really frustrating. Now the beauty of it is I'm not standing here holding the Alt key. You can see keyboard's on the bottom there, and I have not touched anything, which is nice. So I guess in the long run, if the boot takes longer and I don't have to touch anything, that's not the worst gig ever. I'm just playing around down here in my lab. I'm just using these to learn about Linux anyhow. It's not like I'm doing any mission critical work and need them to boot super fast. But it is nice to have your computer be usable as quick as it can be each day. I do not hear any sounds coming from the bootable DVD. So this is the part that was frustrating earlier when I did this as well, is it just feels like it's not even trying. If you could pick that up, but I just heard the internal DVD spin up. Two minutes and 35 seconds, and here you'll finally get to see it recognizes the ISO boot that is built into the DVD, the ISO Linux. There's my puppy, and it'll start booting. So it'll probably be done at close to 4 minutes. I am still puzzled as to why there's that almost 2.5 minute pause before the CD kicks in, or the DVD kicks in this case. Once Puppy Linux starts booting, I'm not sure if it's going to be faster off the DVD or not. I didn't do any Googling. I just assumed that DVDs may be faster because they hold so much more data. And this seems to be snapping along pretty quick. There's a potential that we'll be into Linux and ready to start doing things before the 4 minute mark. Bam, there we are. We did beat 4 minutes, and Xenial Pup is alive and ready to go. I'm going to hit stop on this, and friends, that's going to be the end of this clip. I will speed that up so you're not staring at it for the whole 4 minutes, but if that helps you, please click the like button. If you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from HLModTech, click that notification bell. Have a great day, friends.